subscribe button so that you'll be subscribed to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very beautiful mirror work design. So to make that mirror work design, I just took a ready-made frame for that mirror, and these are the some mirrors and some sugar beads, glue, and golden color thread. And again, you need some two sizes of golden beads. So let's begin by adding very clear fabric glue at the fabric, and just place the mirror in the center, and around the mirror I'm going to add some glue, and I'll be sticking this frame on top of the glue. For sure you can do this machine wash, hand wash, anything. For sure it's not going to fall. It just sticks nice and neat with the fabric glue. Just choose a very good fabric glue like a Fevicol brand. So now I'm going to sew this sugar beads all around this. So it's very difficult to sew one bead at a time. Okay, so instead of that, pick 10 to 15 beads at one time, and I'm going to sew this around the frame of the mirror, and I'll show you how to do that. So now I'm picking like 12 sugar beads in my needle. Make sure you take a Zardozi needle, which is a very thin needle like this, and just pick some beads like this. So gather the beads and make sure you bring the beads in the exact turn of the mirror like this, and you're going to punch at the end of the beads. So to make it firm, you're going to sew at the exact midpoint of the beads. So I'm just punching that in the mid, and you're going to just lock that like such. Okay, so you're going to continue the same process till you finish off the entire mirror. Okay, again I'm going to start by end of this bead, and same like that I'll be picking some 10 to 15 beads to finish off this mirror. So like this, my entire frame is being finished by the sugar bead. So now I'm going to give some French knot. To make the French knot, just mark 5 points exactly at the center, and either side 2 points. And now I'm going to work on with the embroidery thread. Okay, so punch on the exact midpoint of the marking and just twist 3 times, and you're going to punch that again. So if you're twisting that for 2 or 3 times, make sure that you give the same twist all to the marking. So again I'm going to repeat the same for all my 5 markings like this. Okay, once it's done, I'm going to sew golden beads in between the French knot. Okay. So it would be very easy if you're using an Ari stand. Okay, so you can work on with both your hands like this. And to the next step, I'm going to add the bead chain. So to add the bead chain, I'm just giving some little bit of glue like such, and let me measure that. Measure the bead chain exactly to the size you want, and just stick that under the French knot like such. And now the next step is I'm going to add a 2 sizes bead. One is a little bit small and one is going to be a little bit bigger than that. So first I'm going to repeat the same like that, just by adding a 10 beads at a time, and I'm locking that in place. So in this way, very simple and very easily you can finish off the entire design. It's not going to take that much of time. So to finish off one of this mirror work, it just took like 15 to 20 minutes hardly. Okay, so in this way I'm going to add another beads to this, which is going to be a little bit bigger than this size. So if you want to buy the RE stand, the link for the RE stand is in the description box. Okay, so if you don't find RE stand near your place, you can always buy through the online. Okay, so like this, I'm going to finish it off by locking that like such. So at the midpoint, at the end, I'm just going to add another French knot, and also I'm going to sew some sugar bead all around the French knot. Okay, I'm just punching the needle again and picking up like 5 to 6 sugar bead and twisting that all around the French knot. My design is ready right now. Very simple and very easy to make. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.